everyone, today we are going to be making pasta. Ingredients that you will need are red and white onions, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, chili, red peppers, green peppers, and yellow peppers, some grated cheese, herbs and spices, diced tomato, Parmesan and Romano sauce, and heavy cream. And you can use any meat you want, but in this case we use ground beef. We put curry powder and chili flakes. Now you need to boil pasta. We have 3 different types of pasta: penne pasta, bow pasta, and curly pasta. And now we're going to be adding it into our hot water. And you're going to add some butter into it. In a bowl, you're going to want to heat up some oil. And after it's heated up, you're going to want to add your onions. After you mix the onions for a bit, add your ginger, garlic, and chili. Now you're going to want to add all your peppers. Now add your ground beef. Your diced tomatoes and your canned tomatoes. Now you're going to want to add half of a container of your sauce and some water. Now you can add your spices. The spices we added were salt, pepper, red chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and red chili flakes. You can add your 18% heavy cream. As an optional step, you can add some cheese and put it in the oven. After you sprinkle some cheese, take some aluminum foil and cover it over and get ready to put it in the oven. Before you put it in the oven, stab some holes inside of the tin foil.
Wow, look at this pasta. This is the finished product. Let me try it. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching the video, guys.